Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is what is API in WordPress. So guys, today I will be discussing on what API is it on WordPress. So guys, the question is, what is an API? So guys, if you don't know, an API is called Application Programming Interface. This means that it lets different software system communicate each other. So think of an API like a waiter in a restaurant. So you, the user, make a request and the waiter delivers it to the kitchen, which is the server, and then the waiter brings back your food, which is the respond. An API works similarly, allowing website to share information and perform tasks together. So guys, WordPress uses several APIs to help developers easily add features to their website. So for example, they can create plugins, customize themes, or connect WordPress to third-party services like Google Maps, email providers, and this lets your website display things like maps or weather data without needing to build those features from scratch. And in short, guys, API are the backbone of many features in WordPress, and this make it easier to extend your website functionality to connect to other services and create more interactive experience. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.